Okay, so now we were on this question, loss. What does the poem reflect? The answer is loss. Now coming on to the question number 6, wherein again you'll be having 3 passages. Out of these 3 passages, you will be supposed to do any 2, and this will be of 3 marks each. That is 111 plus 111. Okay, so A is Amenhotep III, Tut's father. This is about Tut's father. I hope you are remembering the chapter that is discovering Tut, and you can see the extract given, the passage given, the lines given, and with reference to that only the question will be asked. So the first question is, which god was worshipped before the rule of Amenhotep IV? This is very tricky. You have to remember that in Amenhotep III's reign, Amun was worshipped, whereas in Amenhotep IV, he started worshipping Aten. Okay, this has to be made very clear to you, and so that is why the answer is Amun. Okay, and then comes which ruler came to the throne mysteriously. That is very, very clear, and it's clearly given that one ruler who came mysteriously was Menkaure, and then who discovered the tomb of Tut, that is Howard Carter. So again here the first option is correct, and in previous question the fourth option is correct. Then comes B. This is when my parents were comfortably settled in the city. That line is there. Okay, so again you have to keep in mind that this is from the Portrait of a Lady written by Khushwant Singh. And what was the turning point of the friendship between grandmother and author? The turning point was when his parents called them both to the city. So the second option is correct. Then comes, where did the author go to study in the city? The author, where did he go? He went to an English school in Motorbus. So this is again right. So option number 1 is correct. Okay. Then comes, what made the grandmother unhappy about author's new English school? She was disturbed. I hope you know. She was disturbed because now she did not understand English because he was taught in an English medium school. He was going to an English school, and she was no longer able to help him with the lesson. So both the reasons are there. So that is why this option number 4 is the correct answer. Then comes, well, you know my mother. This is from which chapter? This is from the address. Okay, so now let us see the questions. What was the very first आउट ऑफ हर मदर्स पोजीशन, मतलब सारे पोजीशन में से पहला वो कौन सा पोजीशन था जो प्रोटैगनिस्ट रिकग्नाइज कर पाई? बिल्कुल बहुत आसान है क्योंकि फर्स्ट ही पैराग्राफ में है, द ग्रीन निटेड कार्डिगन which she was wearing, which Mrs. Darling was wearing. So fourth option यहाँ पे correct answer है. Then comes, in total how many times, in totality actually this should be, how many times did the author visited the given address? So it was twice. First time Mrs. Darling से मुलाकात हुई और उन्होंने उसको अंदर तक नहीं आने दिया, और second time Mrs. Darling's daughter, और उसने जो है because mother was not there, so she allowed, thinking it that she is some acquaintance of her mother. So who is the author of the address? Very easy, Marga Minso. So this is the correct answer. Then comes, answer the following questions. Again, there will be, you can see there are 6 questions here, A, B, C, D, E, F. There will be 6 questions here, and out of these 6 questions, you will be supposed to do any 5. You can see here, any 5 questions you are supposed to do. So from here, question number 1 is starting, 1 marks each. What was the name of the village where Ranga lived? I hope you know the name of the village where Ranga lived. Children, without even thinking, without even giving it a second thought, they mark either Bengaluru or Mysore. So please be very clear, because Shyama also belonged to the same village, and he's talking glowingly about Hosahalli. So Hosahalli is Ranga's village. Okay, so what does Aram describe? How does Aram describe the horse? How does he describe it? He describes it magnificent and lovely. He describes only it as a beautiful white horse, or both A and B, or none of the above. So if you remember, he never says that it is beautiful. He has just emphasized on the factor that it is magnificent and lovely. So option number 1 is the correct answer. In what attire did the author find Mrs. Darling? किस attire में थी वो? आपको याद होगा कि ऑथर की मदर का कार्डिगन उसने पहन रखा था. तो इट वॉज नॉट ऑथर्स कार्डिगन. यहाँ से कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं बच्चे, ये तो दोनों बिल्कुल नहीं होगा. तो ये तो डबल क्रॉस है, बट इसमें कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं बच्चे. इट इज़ नॉट ऑथर्स ग्रीन knitted cardigan, it was author's mother's green knitted cardigan. So this is the first answer is correct. Then name the island. The author and his family reached at last. कौन सा island था, नाम याद होगा आपको? Isle Amsterdam. ठीक है, तो again first option is correct. Then let us move to next question. How did Carter remove the resins? किसकी मदद से कैसे हटा था resins? So it is with the help of chisel and hammer. And I'm sorry, by mistake I've written here ABCD. It should be 1, 2, 3 and 4. So which one is the correct one? The A, that is the first one is correct one. Okay, please don't call it A. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then how does narrator describe रत्ना? रत्ना को कैसे डिस्क्राइब किया है? रत्ना को डिस्क्राइब किया है डिस्क्राइबफुल बिल्कुल नहीं होगा. ए एंड बी अभी कंसिडर कर सकते हैं. सो प्रिटी गर्ल थी 11 की, ये कहा है, और बिग टाउन से थी, ये भी कहा है. तो व्हेन बोथ द ऑप्शंस आर करेक्ट, इट मींस व्हिच वन विल बी करेक्ट? दिस वन इज करेक्ट. सो दिस इज द करेक्ट आंसर. दिस वन is the correct answer, both A and B. So with that, literature portion is also over. So wait for my next video wherein I'm going to discuss about part B, the subjective part, 40 marks question, and wait for it. And God bless you all. Enjoy watching my video. Please share it within your friends so that it can go to many children and it can be beneficial to you and your friends even. Bye bye. God bless you all.